Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swami, welcoming to my channel. I'm just quickly analyzing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, how they are looking. If I I'm on the chart of Nifty. If you see this is the consolidation, what is happening in the market. It's like a cup type of consolidation, and you can see the GAN Hilo is also sitting like that, and price is sitting above this cup. So any dip is a buying opportunity, and if this cup type of formation breakout, let me put a cup picture over here. So usually this will be the handle, and if I measure this 50 percentage or from this 0.5, handle comes to here. That is 23,932,900. So this will act as a support. So if this formation is validated, then the handle formation should be within the 0.5 percentage of this range, Fibonacci ratio. Then the market will try to, let me pick up this tool. Let me try to move higher, and the target will be this much. You can anticipate from the depth of this cup, you can anticipate the target to be 24,202. 24,202. So we do not know how it will pan out. If it gives discount, if it doesn't violate this buy signal is there on the GAN Hilo, my indicator, Nalini Precision Engine, then mark the low of this engine, that is 23,898. Already market has come down and retested this level, and probably let us put how much it can retrace from this. Since it has retraced, already it has taken support over here. You may not get the dip, or sometimes you may get the dip here, 23,961, and price may start going up. Or it can sweep this liquidity coming down and testing this and double bottom here, and it can go there. So the level to watch is 23,961 and 23,928. These are the two levels of support. Once, if it is not violated, the market will march towards the first level of 23,151. That is 50 percentage we can anticipate for that. 50 percentage of move will be 24,104. This is 24,104. So let me come back to this one, Sensex. Sensex is also posing the same type of pattern, cup type of formation. Then Sensex has got the target to, if it moves here, 77,176. Let me put it like this. This will be the target for the Sensex. Sensex is also presenting the same type of pattern as Nifty. It is mimicking, same patterns are mimicked, but the expiry day will be different. Expiry is on Thursday. And if you see, if ignoring everything, it is a V-shaped recovery, and price is at the top. And if sometimes what they do, they will sweep this liquidity and creating panic, and market may go up. Sometimes straight away already it has consolidated. So if you measure this swing, this is one swing here, and this is an half swing. If I measure this swing, this is one swing, and the completion of this swing will be exactly to this level, 77,057. Straight away, if it goes there and retest, and it can, so you will have an opportunity. This will be a breakout, retest, and reaching the target. The pattern may be like this for Sensex. The final target will be 77,130, and the supports will be, you need to watch for the support of 76,600. You need to watch for as a support for the Sensex. Target here and support here. Coming to the Bank Nifty has posted different type of picture. You can see there is a wedge formation. This is a falling wedge. When you apply there is an indicator in trading view. If you notice this type of pattern, this is nothing but compression. The widest range is the target for the Bank Nifty. Yeah, it automatically plots, and this is the pattern. You can see this is a triangle pattern, compressed. Price has been compressed, and expansion is taking, and buy signal has been generated. So the first target will be, you can have applied the Lorentz system. You can see Lorentz system step by step range. See, if Bank Nifty starts breaking above this level, then straight away it can, because these are all the compressions are stop loss areas where people might have gone step by step sell signals. So you can see the stop losses will be there. When the big money goes above this, it will sweep all the liquidity, and it gains. The short covering rally will happen in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also poised for up move, and the support for the Bank Nifty is 57,200. For immediate resistance is 57,408. Let me put this 57,000. Why it is not picking up? 406, and immediate support is 57,174. So it can test, retest, and break out. If it breaks this range breakout, and you can anticipate for this target, that final target is 57,804. Whether it will happen today, it can happen today, because it is a complete fall and retest. Then what type of pattern will be formed? Now it is a wedge pattern. Sorry. It's a wedge pattern. Sorry for that. And it can form a double top over here. This will be an M pattern, deep M pattern. Sometimes M patterns will result for correction in the Bank Nifty also, probably Bank Nifty. Why it can happen is, if I go to the daily time frame, Bank Nifty it is a engulfing pattern. See, it is a engulfing pattern. What is this? Bearish engulfing. It is if you think it as a candle, same whole structure as a candle is a bearish engulfing pattern. So when the price is trying to make the retrace back, and any failure, this is the breakdown of the range, any failure is from this level is a, what happens in the market is, market will try to correct from here. So this level 57,406 or 57,807 is a make or break level. Already it has tested, it has come down, and it can, if let me zoom it out, it can face resistance around this level. Around this level, 58,859, or if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, this may act as resistance. It's an M pattern, or it can be continuation of the pattern to this level. The bank Nifty can also move to this target, and if I zoom it out here, this is the breakdown. You can see the complete breakdown from this level. This level 58,343. From where the market has broken down, here you can see so widely range breakdown, and market is trying to let us go there. Let us go there. So much of price action. Now it is a falling wedge pattern, and if it retraces, it may face resistance around 57,818, and then retracement and pullback, it may go up to 58,391. It appears that market can rally even along with the Sensex and the Nifty. Nifty is forming a cup-shaped pattern. Sensex is also forming a cup-shaped pattern. Same type of pattern with little bit of difference, and the bank Nifty is falling a falling wedge, and it can, the immediate target you can anticipate for the 50,830. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalini Swami signing off.